Hello everyone, welcome to you in Shopify store design full course tutorials, and in this class we are going to learn how to make a testimonial section like this one, or how to make a professional testimonial section in your Shopify online store. So you see there are ready testimonial section in here. You can see that there is a testimonial text, star rating, customer image, name and country or address or location, and here is the indicator of this testimonial slide. And our destination is to make a professional testimonial section like this one. So to do this, we are going to our Shopify online store, because we are following this store to make a professional store like this one. So here is our store we have added so far. Yes, added this section, and here is the testimonial I have already added, because this course is not only for developer coder, this also for new beginner, because this course is not only for developer or coder, also the entrepreneur who have started their online business with Shopify and want to make a professional Shopify online store using free theme and make it more professional like premium quality. Okay, so you see I have already make this customer testimonial, added star rating, text, name and location, also the image, and I have added the carousel arrow to move it left to right, also the indicator in here. You see, also here is the indicator. Just wait a little bit time. You see the slide working. Okay, now we are going to the customize section. What is the customization option available for this section? I have added very easy section for that. When you download this theme, you will get ready option like this one. So you see, first I have added section title testimonial text in here. We can customize it testimonial. Then we can select slide to show, for example 2. You see, we can make 3 as our need. Then show navigation arrow, we can hide it. Show pagination dot, we can show or hide it. Enable autoplay, we can enable autoplay, also auto speed, also autoplay speed, we can change it. Push on hover, infinitive loop. Then we can change the background color, also the cart background color, text color. For example, I want to change the text color just for better understanding. You see, we can change text color, also the accent color. It's very relevant with our full website. We have added same color. Then if I click on the testimonial, you can add rating. You see, looks at here, you can add number of rating. You can add text from here, author name, author position or location, anything, author image, and custom card color you can edit. So I hope you understand everything, how easy is it to add on your Shopify online store to use or customize. Now we're going to the code section. If you are a developer, then this part also will be very helpful for you. So here is the code edit section, search testimonial, and you see here is the testimonial.liquid, and this part only for developer. First I have created schema code and add the name of this schema code testimonial carousel, that you can see in here. If I click on here, you see testimonial carousel. Then we have added settings for section title. Here is the settings for section title, you see. Then added range Here is the range slide to show. We have added range in here. Then checkbox show arrow, then checkbox again show dot, then checkbox again autoplay. Here is the checkbox arrow dot and autoplay. Then infinity loop, push on hover and select the slide option, background color, text color and accent color. And finally here is the block. Block means this one. This is the block. In the block we have added text area, star rating, text author or author name, text position, image picker and color of custom card. So I hope you understand everything. And then finally we have added the CSS in here and the JS. So if you are custom coder or developer, then you can easily understand the coding part. Otherwise you can directly use this section on your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to join this class and watch this full video. And if you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need this ready code snippet or full theme, then comment on this video and share your WhatsApp number or send me message on my WhatsApp number. You will get the instant ready free theme and code snippet. So thank you so much again for your time and continue this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.